Today I'm showing you how to make a lot of money in Rensselaer County very quickly, and this is a limited time event. Right, so we're going to head out a dealer and we're going to turn right. Right, here we are. So I'm going to find a couple of cars that I like, but buy as many as you can, really, if you want to make the most amount of money quickly. I don't want to buy the tech car, that thing sucks. I'm going to grab this thing as well. I'm also going to grab the silver wallet. I'd say 3 is enough, but get as many as you like. But you know what, yeah, we can get 4, we can get 4. As you can see, I now have 4 cars from the junkyard in my inventory, so I'm actually going to go ahead and spawn this one. We'll do this one first. What I want to do is I'm going to just paint the car first as you come in here. You can do 1 for now, just straight away. And repair it. Pull up to my spots. Okay, now it's being weird. Well, interesting. At least the equipment's here, because that's what I need, really. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to open my hood, as you quite thing. I'm going to wash my engine. I'm going to repair my engine, put this in the battery while you're doing this. You have to just do all this at once, but I'm going to put that in the washer. And I'm going to put that here. It's like a little conveyor belt, essentially. Once you've washed and cleaned your engine, you're going to go in the car. Then I need to go and wash the battery. And while the battery's washing, put the car up. I'd say washing something is the last thing you need to do before putting it in the car. That's what I make sure I do. So I'm going to wash the wheel. So all you need to do for the engine is repair and wash it. For the battery, you need to repair, wash, and charge. And for the wheels, you just need to repair and wash them, and then they're ready to go on the car. That's all you have to do. But just do it. You can do it very quickly if you do the method that I'm doing. Because washing has to cool down, so you won't be last. So you can grab the next thing and put it on. Put this one. I think this one will be. Yeah, this is the same one. This one. Right, and then I'm going to go and put this on the car that's done, and then put this here. Onto that, I can close the hood, and then I'm gonna put this on the car. Right, this car's done, as you can see, 100% condition down here. We're going to leave that to put this thing here, and what we're going to do is prepare the vehicle, paint the vehicle, so now it should be at 100%, and then boom, you've done that car. Annoying. Nice. Right, $20 junkyard edition. Right, sold that. I know, small. Sell. No, got that. Boom. Right, boom. And then boom. So if my calculations are correct, in about 10 minutes we made 25,000 in 10 minutes. That is a lot, isn't it, for 10 minutes? But let me know what you thought of this video. Please like, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.